The way in which we combine theory and practice here at IE is obviously the main challenge that we have, all right, now. And of course, we rely on our long years of experience, okay? We rely on top world-class faculty. We rely on the way in which we have been doing things in the last 10, 15 years here at school. And for instance, like we're looking at teaching theory, hands-on theory, but at the same time, we have partnerships with real actors out there, okay, not political actors. We are inviting world leaders to teach with us and to talk to our students. All right, now we put the students out on internships and all this combination together with, of course, state-of-the-art technology and artificial intelligence that I know everyone's talking about artificial intelligence, but the real challenge is to implement it, to apply it to a degree. And that's the spirit with which we are going to be starting in September. We are tremendously excited about this combination of theory and practice for the 21st century.